All right, standard 5.3 is multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Remember that when you multiply top times top, bottom times bottom. So this becomes one big fraction. So what I see is that I have some things in common. Do I have any x's on the bottom? I sure do. So I can cross out this x with one of these, and I'm left with x squared. I have an x minus 10 on the, x minus 6 on the top and an x minus 6 on the bottom. So I'm left with x squared. Whoop, there's one more thing I can reduce. This 5 right here will reduce with this 10, and I'm left with 2. So I have 2x squared over x minus 10. All right, the next one, it's already been multiplied for us, so we just have to see if we can reduce. I see quadratics on the top, so now I'm going to have to factor. The top one, I need factors of 6. So I have 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. And they need to add to be 5. And they have to be the opposite sign because it's negative 6. So how am I going to get that? Well, if this is negative 1 and this is positive 6, I would add to get positive 5. So I have x minus 1, x plus 6 on the top. Now on the bottom, I want to multiply to get negative 6. And they need to be opposite signs. And I want to add to get negative 1. So I'm going to have negative 3 and positive 2. And that one, my friends, doesn't reduce. Way to go me. All right, number 10. All right, so I have an x squared plus 10x plus 21 on the top. So I need to factor. What multiplies to be 21 and adds to be 10? I see x plus 7 and x plus 3. And on the bottom, we get x minus 9 and x plus 9. When we're dividing, we're going to do keep, change, flip. So we're going to flip the bottom to be on the top. And now we're multiplying, so this is all one fraction. I can reduce x plus 7 and x plus 7, and x minus 9 and x minus 9, and I get x plus 9 over x plus 3. All right, I see lots of factoring in this example. So the first thing I see is I can take out a 4 up here. So 32 divided by 4 is 8, so I have 4 times x plus 8 right there. On the top over here, I see that I can take out a 3, and I'm going to be left with x squared minus 16x plus plus 64. All right, so 8 times 8 gives us 64. And that also adds to give us 16. So we're going to have x minus 8 and x minus 8 right here. All right, on the bottom, I can take out a 2 right here. And when I do that, I'm going to write right here, I get x squared minus 64. So that's the difference of squares. So I get x minus 8 and x plus 8. And we have times 3x here. All right, so lots of factoring. But thankfully, a lot of things are going to reduce as well. So here we have x plus 8 will reduce, our 3 will reduce, 2 reduces with 4 to leave me with 2, and then x minus 8 also reduces. So I am left with 2 times x minus 8 on the top and x on the bottom.